welcome to yet another episode of the Voice of Innominion, where we discuss the entire Innomatics way of learning, our placement journey, and more. Today, we have with us a very special guest, Bindiya Roy. Bindiya was recently placed in first source stay ahead as a junior software engineer. Congratulations, Bindiya, and welcome to the show. Let's jump right into it. My first question to you is, how did you come across Innomatics Research Labs?
From 2020, me and one of my friend have started learning data science from YouTube, Google. But uh, on in the last year, we saw LinkedIn post that from Innomatics that there is a competition, and if we are selected, then we'll get a chance to do this data science internship. So and it was unpaid. So as we had interest on that and looking for internships also, so we attempted and got selected. Then actually I got to know about this Innomatics.
So, talk to me about the internship experience that you had, and tell me how Innomatics, in many ways, in the larger scheme of things, helped you to reach where you are today.
Okay, so it was an amazing experience. Actually, the way taught us from the very basic and whatever needed to know in data science, and we were given so many tasks. Few projects I have worked on with a nice team. Then uh, there was a team, they were always there for us to solve our issues, and all these things I was in practice for that. So all these things helped me a lot uh, to face in interviews actually, and it boosts up my confidence also. So yes, it's really nice. And actually it was a 3 months of internship, and but some topics were left, so decided to continue uh, until it's completed. So
Mm.
he continued again for 2 months. So yes, it was a nice experience.
Can we say that your internship period actually helped you grab more job offers?
Yes, from Innomatics also I faced a few interviews. Then actually those tasks and all
Yeah,
helped
yeah.
me a lot actually.
Okay, okay. My next question would be, I wanted to ask you, are there any highlights of being an Innomatic student? Like, or do you want to talk to me about some of your favorite parts of being in a Innomatics classroom?
My favorite part is the way trained us actually.
Mm,
Uh, in an amazing way. Like every day, whatever topic he was picking, uh, he explained that in so simple and an amazing way. And now I have a clear knowledge about them. So
mm.
this is the highlighted part.
Okay, talk to me about your placement journey. How was the experience? Because I'm assuming that this is the first time also that you probably would be appearing for, jobs and everything. So talk to me about the placement journey.
Uh, as I was in last year in MCA, and I need job after that. So I was searching for that, and from Innomatics also I got few opportunities to give interviews. Still I got help from Innomatics by all
Hmm.
these tasks and all.
Okay. Uh,
Yes.
any message, words of encouragement, or any criticism that you can give us so that we can be better performance? Do you have any such opinions, words for us?
Not an opinion, but I would say you people are so supportive. I like all you all are so supportive, I would say. And like before Innomatics, I just had interest on data science, but now it's become my goal actually. That
Mm.
I want to grow in this field also. So yes, and thank you so much. And I'm also very glad that I was a part of this Innomatics team. And I like actually everything, whatever you're doing, like
Okay.
the whole all about Innomatics.
Thank you. Thank you for taking out the time to speak to me.